Welcome students, welcome to this video where we are going to be learning how to select the mentor in Swayam portal. So students, first you need to be entering the URL, that is https colon backslash swayam.go.in, and this is the login page. Then you need to be clicking on the sign in option, where you can see this is the sign in page. You can log in into or sign in into the Swayam portal using Microsoft account, Google account, or Facebook, or you can create using this sign up now option. So as I know, most of the people will be using the Google, and will go through the Google account. So after entering all the credentials required, once when you complete all the procedure, you will be entering into the the Swayam portal, where you can see what your email ID in this way, and you will be selecting your courses through the course catalog, or if you already selected, they will be appearing under my courses. So students, when you click on your email ID, you are going to see my profile, my courses. You need to be clicking on my courses. So after clicking on the my courses, you are going to see under my courses the selected courses for this semester. As you can see here, I have selected more than 6 courses. But what happened is, for your examination you can write only 4 maximum courses per semester. So to select the mentor, so you need to be knowing which all the subject the mentor is mentoring. So for example, if the mentor is mentoring the principle of metal forming technology, then you should be selecting this course by clicking on the go to courses. Here you can see here you can see the announcements about the course, ask a questions, progress, and mentor. So under mentor section, you need to be you need to click on this mentor option. Here you can see the select the mentor. So based on the your mentor, maybe your counselor will be your mentor. So you need to be choosing among the available mentors, and after selecting, you need to be clicking on the set mentor. So in this way, you need to be choosing the mentor for courses, for the assigned courses. So after completing this one, then we need to be going to the next course, and you need to be following the same steps to select the mentor. So thanks for watching the video.